Students, this is your first Visual Basic screen. When first time you will open or ever you open, it will open like this. This window will open in front of the main window. So from here you need to choose standard exe. That is the standard standalone program it will allow to do for you. So thereafter, after clicking on this, do open. Okay, so the screen will open like this. Now it is a very big environment that is known as IDE, Integrated Development Environment. Very big IDE it has, Visual Basic 6.0 has. Now let me see this part. This is a project. There is a project here, and under the project you see there is a form. The program whatever you are going to do, you have to do on the form, you remember, and a project can contain those forms. So a project can have many forms. Okay students, a project can have many forms. So at first when you get this screen, you just maximize the project screen. Don't maximize this one, maximize the project screen, so that your form you can see independently so nicely. You can enlarge or you can squeeze the size of the form according to your wish, students. Fine, let's continue. Left side of your window you see there is toolbox. If this toolbox is previously closed by someone and you want to see it because it is very much required, so you go to view menu and active from here. There is toolbox option, so you can active from here. Okay, and right side also you see there are three window. One is project explorer window, project is written, and properties is written, this is second window, and there is form layout, this is third window. These three are important for all of us also. So if the project window is off, if the properties window is off, and the form layout window is also off, you can switch on them from the view menu. There is project explorer you see here, which is very much required. Thereafter you check properties window, this is also very much required, student. And form layout is not necessary. Form layout is not necessary. Also you can switch on it from here. See, you can switch on from here, but which is not necessary for the timing. Later on we will discuss about it. So at first you try to keep on project explorer as well as properties window. So this is project explorer and this is properties window, students. And my screen I reduce, the size of the screen I reduced, because if I maximize it won't be fit on your screen. So better when you practice on your system you can see it very nicely. So let reduce little bit size of the properties window so that project explorer you can see here. Fine students, understood. Here see the project name is written and form name also is written. I shown you before the project as well as form 1 because the first form we are working with, so form 1. Okay, so at first now let me show you how can we save this project what we are going to do, or whatever we are going to do on form, that let's save. First thing is save. Okay, first of all we need to learn how to save. After knowing all this window and this toolbox, three window I have shown from here, and from here I shown you the toolbox. Now let know how can we save it. Don't go to file menu and do save and all. You will get confused, student, as you are new to Visual Basic 6.0. So better to save from this button always. Always try to save from here. It is written save project. Not only it will save your project, but also it will save your form. Okay, so you click here. See, it is asking where to save. At first, better what you do, you create a folder on desktop. Remember all of you very nicely. Go to desktop and here you create a folder in your name. So I am creating here suppose ITM. Okay, so after this I can double click on the ITM and I can save now. See, it is asking what will be your form name. Form is nothing but the file. Fine, so let it be form 1, no problem, not a issue. When second form you will take, automatically it will become form 2, third form will be form 3, automatically we will see later on. Let it be form 1, you save it. Fine students. Now what it is asking, you see. Now it is asking what is the file name, that is project. Okay, what is the project name, this one it is asking. So if you wish to give it project 1 you can give, or in your name you can keep it like Rosmi's project. So I can make here Rosmi's. Okay, I can make it Rosmi's project, because under one project, students, many form or many program you can keep, remember. Okay, so better to give a nice name to the project, remember. Form you give form 1, for F1, F2, anything you give, not a issue. Or don't give also, as we didn't give and we kept it form 1. But project name keep nicely. Keep nicely, students, remember. So I made it Rosvi's project, fine. And here you check, it is showing VBP, means Visual Basic Project, fine. Previously when form I did, previously I didn't show you, I forget. Here it will show you FRM. I will show you later on, it will show you FRM. Now because of the project we are creating, it will show you VBP, Visual Basic Project. Okay, now let me save it. Okay, and one dialog box will come like this. Okay, don't worry about this, just simply choose no. No need to go with this, just choose no. Okay, now let's check the folder where we kept this file. Okay, I'm minimizing and checking my folder. See, my file is here. Just a second, students. Just a second. This is the folder I made before. So I'm double clicking on it, and what you can see here, students. See, Rosmi's project and form 1. Don't worry about this one. Okay, so check these two. This is your program, and this is the project which is holding this program. Let me say it again. This is your program, students. This is, form 1 is your program, and this is the project which is holding this program. Fine. Let me go back to Visual Basic. So I minimized, I open. So this is your Visual Basic window, students. Now you will say, sir, let's do a new program. Okay, so the new program will stay under where? Under the same project. You check here, it is showing now here, Rosmi's project. You can bring it little bit this side so that you can see. Okay, so now we had what? We had form 1 before. We had form 1 students before. Now as I want to do another program that will be form 2. So how I am doing, you see, just right click here. Just right click here and choose add form. Don't go for all this, choose form. Understood? What you need to do, again I am showing, just right click here when you wish to do another program under the same project. Student, remember very nicely this concept. If you won't understand, then won't be able to understand Visual Basic totally. So if we wish to create another program under same project, so now right click there and choose add form. Okay, so here also so many things it is showing. Later on we will discuss about it, but the first one you need to go with form and do form. What you found here, students, see, form 2 is coming, and here it is showing form1.frm, because we saved this and we didn't save this, so that's why it is not showing any name. Now let's save this also. Let's go to here, click on this button to save. See, form 1 was there before, now it is asking form 2. Let it be form 2. I told not to change, so save it. Now check here. Now one thing notice, you notice, students, here it is not asking you the project name. For first time only it will ask you the project name, because already the project name already we mentioned, so it is not asking you the project name. Fine. Now student, the basic thing today I am showing you, so concentrate. I am not doing any program, just the basic thing. Now under Rosmi's project we have two form. One is form 1, one is form 2. Now if I am running the program, you will say, sir, run the program and show which form is running, which program it is showing. Fine, which program's output it is showing. So let's run the program. For running the program, the shortcut key is F5. You can press from your keyboard F5, or you can click here the start button. See, when I'm pressing the start button, the screen is coming like this. This is what? Form 1. You will say, sir, where is form 2? See, by default always the first form will open. Remember, students, you might have 10 forms. You might have 10 programs in 10 forms, but first one will open. At a time, we can open only one form, students. Remember, we can keep many forms. We can keep many programs under many forms under one project. Understood my point? But we can open at a time one form. Remember. So now how it is possible to on a form 2? Because every time I switch on, the form 1 will open. Form 1 will open because it is activated. So how can I activate the form 2? Learn from here. Go to view menu, students. Go to project menu, and from the project menu, the last option, it is project 1 properties. You click here. Fine. What it is showing? Start of object. What it is showing here? Form 1. You have to make it to form 2. Remember. There will be one more submain. We will discuss it later on. So you choose form 2. Then do OK simply. Now you run the program. Press F5 or run from here. Which form is running now, students? Form 2. Okay, understood now? Same way, I can go it back, I can switch on. So let it be any form on your screen. Don't think that form 1 is on screen, so if I run, the form 1 will run. No, whatever you activated here, whichever form you activated here, that one will be run first. Remember. So at first I am choosing your form 1 and doing OK and running it again and showing you. Okay, so just in this video we learn how Visual Basic can be open and what are the environments, or what are the, as the environment is very big and very complicated. Doing program in Visual Basic is very easy, but the environment is, as it is very big, so it is little complicated to understand. So that's why all these I explain, as well as I explain you how can you save the file, how can you save multiple forms under one project, and the concept of project as well as the concept of form. And one more thing, let me show you, then we will wind up today. So what it is, suppose I close today, I save everything, I need to do yes to save, I save everything and close. This is the folder I shown you before. We made ITM folder. Under this ITM folder we have, see, Rasmi's project, and under Rasmi's project we have form 1, form 2. So now you will say, sir, what to open? There are 3 things. There are 5 files here, but we need to concentrate on this one and this one. So which one we need to open? Never double click on these students or double click on these students. Always try to open, when next time you are going to open, you open this one only, the project. The moment you open project, automatically all the programs, all the forms will open in Visual Basic. So just see, just check. Now there is no Visual Basic on screen. Now I am double clicking on this project and see, your project is open. And forms, you just double click here, form 1 and form 2, automatically it is coming, but it is not coming to the screen. So don't worry, double click here, see, form 1 is coming, double click here, form 2 is coming. Okay, and I told you, students, always the project window you maximize so that you won't confuse. See now, there is no confusion. But if you keep it, see, from here you can reduce the size. If you keep it like this, you will get confused. So many window it will show you, so you will get confused. So better to maximize the project window always, because we don't have to do anything on project window. We have to concentrate on form window. Okay, so let it be this much, students.